Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on or turn off OneNote Run in background. This is a useful setting to know about, especially if you're looking to optimize your device's performance or battery life by controlling which apps stay active behind the scenes. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once your notebook is loaded up completely, you're ready to adjust the background settings. To do this, you'll need to access your system settings, so hit your Windows key on your keyboard. This will open your Windows menu. From the Windows menu, type in Settings and hit Enter. This will take you directly to your Windows Settings panel. Once your Windows settings have opened, look for the search bar at the top of the window. Type in Privacy and your system will bring up the Privacy Settings tab. Click on it to open your privacy options. Now look at the left side panel of the Privacy Settings window. Scroll down through the options until you find Background Apps. This section controls which applications are allowed to run in the background even when you're not actively using them, which can affect both system performance and battery consumption. Click on Background Apps to open this section. From here, you'll see a list of all the apps currently installed on your system that have the capability to run in the background. Scroll through this list until you locate the OneNote for Windows 10 icon. Once you've found it, you'll notice a toggle button next to it. Simply toggle it off to disable OneNote from running in your background. This means the app will only be active when you have it open and in use. If you change your mind later and wish to allow OneNote to run in the background again, perhaps to enable syncing or notifications while you're working in other apps, simply return to this same location and toggle the button back on. It's that straightforward. And there you have it. You've successfully controlled whether OneNote runs in the background on your device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.